Brian Shaw, and I do sales for MHQ West of Arizona. MHQ is a vehicle upfitter, upfitting everything from graphics to radios to computers to gun racks to prisoner lighting, everything. We're doing Pinal County's first run of F-150s. And they'll take brand new vehicles, completely gut the inside, pull the front end apart, back end. They start drilling holes in them and start running a lot of wire, a lot of cables. Then they start mounting all the equipment. It's a complicated process, and it's a lot of work. From start to finish, these vehicles are probably close to about 60 hours. These guys, they're pretty darn close to an electrical engineer. Once the lights go on, it's not just turning them on with a switch. It's actually sitting down with a laptop, programming. There's a lot of safety features, all the things you see going in. Those companies all pay to have those crash tested. In '04, I came into this business. Back then, it was just a basic controller that just pretty much turned things on, turned them off. It's changed a lot. My wife gets really tired of hearing me say, "Oh, hey, that's one of our cars." When the guys are done with them, I'm always out here saying, "Hey, turn the lights on. I want to see them blink."